Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I hope that you guys are all having a lovely day or night wherever you are. So this vlog might be different from other vlogs that I've done before, and the reason for this is because this will be a cumulative vlog. So that means that I will combine different days, different weeks into one vlog. So I hope that you guys like this kind of vlog. So today I plan to get a haircut. Nothing extreme, I'm just getting a trim. I like my hair long, so I am just going to cut the dead ends, the not so healthy hair. And I also want to make an appointment for another tattoo. Okay, so I have my sweater on because it is chilly outside and we are ready to go. So I thought that I should share with you guys. I shared this puzzle in my very first video, and I've finally started working on it. Well, I'm almost done. Once I finish this, I plan on putting it in a frame or something because I just love it so much. So this is my progress. I just have those pieces left. I will try to finish it later on today, but right now I am gonna go meet a friend. We're gonna go eat and catch up. So I just got home and I wanted to show you guys something. I finished my puzzle and I am so happy. It's so cute, I love it. So I am gonna get in my PJs and take off this makeup. Me and my little sister are gonna have a little sleepover. She never wants to sleep with me, but I convinced her by telling her that we would watch The Great Gatsby. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Nos quedamos solos. Oh. So apparently happy hour is going on in Starbucks right now, so we're gonna try to get there before it ends. What are you gonna get, Camila?
Same as you.
Same as me? I get white chocolate mocha and any kind of like drink. Doesn't matter if it's hot, iced, or frappe. I always get white chocolate mocha. No whipped cream and light ice. I sometimes get coconut milk or almond milk, but it just varies depending on the mood. Okay. We are currently just waiting for my mom. She went inside the store, so we are just waiting for her, and we are listening to my Disney playlist. There must be more than this provincial life. No man is worth the aggravation. That's ancient history, been there, done that. Still taking the sun. So we just went to the PO box to get our mail, and I got a very exciting letter from the university that I want to go to. I already got an email last week getting accepted to that school, and I was super happy. I cried, my mom cried, my grandma cried, my dad wanted to cry. So I already knew that I got accepted, but still I'm happy to get physical papers from that school. Nice, I guess, so happy. So right now we're gonna go home, and I have a package to open. I bought a GoPro for a future trip that I have, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So that's what we're gonna do when I get home. Hey guys, so I tried to do an unboxing last night of my GoPro, but during the process I broke this nail in half and I had to stop filming. I will leave a clip of last night so you guys can see my nail a bit close up. I am not kidding, guys. Do you see that? It literally just ripped in half. I am going to go get it fixed right now in a little bit, but before I go, I quickly just wanted to show you what I got with my GoPro. It won't be an unboxing anymore because I opened up the box. So I got this memory card. I'm thinking of changing it for the 128 gigabytes. And then this is the GoPro that I got. I got the GoPro 6 in black. It came, well, it didn't come with, but I bought this suitcase that has a bunch of accessories. It's a bit messy because I was playing around with these things. To be honest, I don't know what half of these things are, but there's a bunch of things. And it came with this thing and with this thing that I think I'm gonna use it on my vlog camera. But yeah, just quickly wanted to show you guys the accessories, the memory card, and the GoPro. So I am heading out now. I will see you guys later. So I got my nail fixed. It was this one, and I just got acrylic in it to glue it. Hope it doesn't break again. So I just got back home. I got into some comfy clothes. I'm watching Netflix. And I just wanted to end this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this 2 weeks of me vlogging. I know I only vlogged a couple of days, but I didn't want to make this video too long. If you guys like this kind of vlog, make sure to give me a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.